Hello everyone! Welcome to our tutorial on managing resources in Schedule Board with TeamBoard ProScheduler. If you're new to TeamBoard, we recommend watching our introductory video, How to Add a Resource to the Board, before proceeding with this guide. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the Schedule Board with an overview of the Schedule Board, how to plan for resources, managing workload in the Schedule Board, customization and settings of the board. Now let's start by navigating to the Schedule tab on your ProScheduler board. Here you can see all your resources and the tasks assigned to them. On the left, you'll find the resource list, where you can switch between individual users or entire teams and apply filters to refine your view. Now let's explore navigational tools. Easily jump to today's date with a single click. Choose between days or weeks views to match the scope of your planning. Get a clear view of resource workloads. Utilize quick or basic filters for refined search. Quickly find specific items using jump search. All issues are compiled in the project. Update the board with the latest data. Expand the view for better visibility. Customize the appearance of the schedule view. Adjust board configurations as needed. The central part of your screen features the timeline, displaying all resource schedules including tasks, events, holidays, and days off. Notable indicators include overload indicator, highlights days with excessive workloads, zero capacity, shows days when no additional tasks can be assigned. Holiday indicator, holidays are marked with a red dot. Hovering over these shows details. Clicking on a task reveals its information and allows for immediate modifications directly from the board. Now, we'll guide you through the steps to effectively plan and schedule resources using the Schedule Board. Planning tasks from the Issue box. Open the Issues box to start. Here, you can filter issues using basic filters or JQL to find exactly what you need. Once you find your issue, simply drag and drop it onto a team member's calendar to assign it. Need to change the assignee? Just drag the task card from one calendar to another. It's that easy, remember. You can search by project and planned status to track your project's progress and ensure everything is on schedule. Planning tasks using the planning dialog. Click on a date or select a range of dates on the calendar, then open the Plan Issue dialog. Here you can plan for an existing issue or even create a new one to add to your schedule. You can also plan one task for multiple assignees. Scheduling from JIRA Issue panel. In your JIRA issue, navigate to the right panel, click Open TeamBoard ProScheduler, then Add Plan. Choose your dates and hours, hit Plan, and watch as the issue pops onto the schedule board. Managing non-task, events and time off. For events that aren't tied to JIRA issues, open the Planning dialog, select the Events tab, fill in the details, and add your event. Need to schedule time off? Open the Time Off tab in the Planning dialog, enter the hours and date, and add additional days if needed. Don't forget to choose the leave type and add any necessary notes. In the Plan dialog, you can add detailed notes to your plans or see the history. This is perfect for keeping track of important details and ensuring everyone is on the same page. Holiday management. Holidays are marked on your schedule with a red dot. You can manage holiday settings by going to TeamBoard ProScheduler, Settings, Holiday Calendars. Here you can create and customize holiday calendars, assign them to team members, or set a default calendar. Now we'll explore how to effectively manage resource capacities and scheduled hours to optimize your team's efficiency. First, you need to understand. Resource capacity is the maximum number of hours that a resource can handle in a day. Scheduled hours are the times planned for the resource to work on tasks. Managing capacity settings. Access capacity settings by going to Apps, TeamBoard ProScheduler Settings, Working Capacity. Here, admins can update or change the working capacity, while other members can view the settings. Workload management in action. The workload is calculated based on the capacity and scheduled time. In the cell, it displays the total number of scheduled hours, color-coded according to workload intensity. White, 0 workload. Blue, not full workload. Green, full workload. Red, overload. Toggle the workload view on or off as needed. You can plan tasks directly from this view by clicking on a cell to add tasks, or adjust task schedules by dragging and resizing task cards to fit different timeframes. To change how workload is displayed, go to App Settings, General, and adjust the settings to show workload by hours or percentage, depending on what makes most sense for your team. Now let customizing the scheduler board for optimal workflow. Managing multiple tasks is simple with our multi-card management feature. On a Mac, use Command+Click to select additional cards. On Windows, use Control+Click. You can apply actions to multiple tasks at once, whether it's changing their color, assigning them to a user, or unplanning tasks. Board view customization, managing display options. Customize what you see on your schedule board with options like Show completed tickets, Show issue key and summary, Show issue type icon and status, Show details, Tooltip, Show issue overdue mark, non-working days, and hide weekend days. In the schedule board, we also support syncing with JIRA estimation fields and mapping dates with JIRA fields. You can configure these options in the settings. And that's it for now. Please let us know if you have any questions at hello@teamboard.cloud. See you in the next video.